Hey there, welcome to 7 Energies Holistic Channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for living a healthy life. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 10 best herbs for natural headache relief. Headaches are a common problem that many of us face in our day-to-day lives. While over-the-counter medication can provide quick relief, it's always a good idea to explore natural remedies that can help ease the pain. So without further ado, let's get started. Feverfew. This herb has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for headaches. It contains a compound called parthenolide which helps reduce inflammation and ease pain. Ginger. It is a popular herb that's often used in cooking, but it also has medicinal properties. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and can be effective in treating migraines. Peppermint. It is another herb that's been used for centuries to treat headaches. It contains menthol, which helps relax muscles and ease pain. Drinking peppermint tea or using peppermint oil can provide relief. Lavender. It is a beautiful herb that's often used in aromatherapy. It has a calming effect on the body and can help reduce stress and tension headaches. Simply inhaling lavender oil or drinking lavender tea can be effective. Chamomile. This is a herb that's known for its calming properties. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and relax muscles, making it a great natural remedy for headaches. Butterbur. It is a herb that's been used for centuries to treat migraines. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and can be effective in preventing migraines. Ginkgo biloba. This herb that's often used to improve memory and brain function. However, it also contains compounds that help improve blood flow and can be effective in treating headaches. Valerian root. It is a herb that's often used to treat anxiety and insomnia. It contains compounds that help relax muscles and ease tension headaches. Rosemary. This herb that's often used in cooking, but it also has medicinal properties. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and can be effective in treating headaches. Cayenne pepper. This spicy herb that contains a compound called capsaicin. This compound has been shown to help reduce inflammation and ease pain, making it a great natural remedy for headaches. And there you have it, the 10 best herbs for natural headache relief. While these herbs can be effective in treating headaches, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness videos.